Hey everybody, it's Matt again. I'm finally got back to the house. Kind of called off of that storm. So we're kind of gonna be covering it from the house. We're looking at this area here. We still have three active tornado warnings. Um, Give me just a second. I'm gonna try to get this stream shared real fast, and then we'll dig into it. Okay, yeah. So we're let's see. Uh, so this one in for Webster County is observed. So at 8:54, a confirmed tornado was located 10 miles west of Ava, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. The radar confirmed tornado. So it'd be Seymour, Mansfield, Hartville, Duncan, Good Hope, Dogwood, and Odin. Let's put this. Oh yeah, right there. See, I wonder if that's got a. Let's check the correlation coefficient on that. Yeah, so it's got a little debris signature to it too. So yeah, right here, looks like just to the west of Highway O and just south of 14, south of Dogwood, headed towards Tigris, Grenada. Oh, my stream information is not right. Okay, yeah, so yeah. Oh, snap. What happened to my feed? Where'd it go? Okay, so this area looks just to the yeah, right in the Arden area, moving northeast. Let's see if we can track it out. Well, let's check these other ones. Like right here over Fordland as well. Right in between Fordland and Diggins. And then up here towards Phillipsburg. But this one right down here is the one I'm worried about. What's the speed on that? Let's see if we can. Hello. Hey, what's up? Yeah. Yes. Okay, sorry. Bye bye. Um, so this is headed towards. Oh my gosh. No technology wants to work with me today. Looks like it's getting ready to come right across O Highway, moving to the northeast. Where is this national track? So it's moving at 37 miles an hour. You're looking at 10 minutes to Dogwood. This other one, let's get it back in motion. Looks like it's kind of tracking north and east as well. Kind of like right over, just north of Diggins right now, right along Highway A. This area right here. Hmm. So if you're in that Diggins, Fordland area, you need to be taking your tornado precautions along A highway, A and FF, right there, the kind of the James River area. What do we got with this one? So this one's a radar indicated for northeastern Webster, Dallas, and Wright counties until 9:15. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Conway to Niangua, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. So Lebanon, Bennett Springs State Park, Morgan, Conway, Niangua, Phillipsburg, Bennett Springs, Twin Bridges, Eldridge, Sleeper, Raider, Long Lane, and Dry Knob. I-44 between 106 and 141. So that's a radar indicated. These two here, I mean, this one is just it's coming right along O Highway right now. So if you're in the Tigris, Grenada, Dogwood area, you need to be in your tornado safe places now. Is Joplin getting any more tonight? I don't think so. I don't think there's anything out to the east of here. So let's see if there's any update on that. So radar confirmed tornado. Seymour, Mansfield, Hartville, Duncan, Dogwood, and Odin. So they're still going with this one. Looks to be still crossing right over O Highway, moving towards Tigris along 14. Let's put this back in motion. We got probably another 4 minutes. I'm good. Thank you. Um, we got another 4 minutes left till our next scan comes in. Um, let's check the correlation coefficient on that. Yeah, there's definitely still some solid rotation right there, right in Arden. With the size, that's with the echo ducts. 48,000 feet on that one. Pretty tall storm. Yeah. So we'll put this back in motion. We got, like I said, a couple more minutes before we get our next scan, but definitely Diggins. Fordland looks like Fordland proper. It does look like it's pushed on to the northeast from you now. So we're trying to keep up with everything. Tell you, man, there's 2% days. There's 2% days. Looks like we got a new scan. Let's see if what's changed. Okay, so it looks like it's right into Tigris now. So we're gonna be just coming across 14 highway. Still moving off um to the northeast towards K Highway. Let's I mean, if you're in the Mansfield area, you might want to go ahead and start getting your tornado. I mean, be in your tornado safe space now. You got a little bit of time. Let's game this out if it stays going on the same track. Let's see what we got. So we're looking about, I would say, 40 minutes to Mansfield. Sorry about that, everybody. So it looks like that the rotation now is up north of Diggins, right? Just to the east of Highway A. It's right into Grenada on this observed one here. What about this one up here? Okay, let's see. That one's gonna what they're gonna do with it because that one says it just expired. All right, let's stop this and see what the mode updated stuff is. So it looks like they're going to push that tornado warning out more for northeastern Webster, northeastern Dallas, northwestern Wright, Laclede, southern Pulaski, southern Camden counties. 907, a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located along a line extending from 15 miles north of Conway to Lebanon, moving east at or northeast at 30 miles an hour. Um, yeah, so they're going to push that out off into the um, east and northeast. So it's one here still pushing off along K Highway. I mean, it's still pretty defined right along 14. So again, if you're in the Mansfield area, go ahead and take your tornado precautions now. And looks like the storm is pushing to the north of Diggins, Fordland. You look like you're in the clear now. Um, it's now kind of right up, coming up on P Highway. So we're gonna back this out. Definitely still seems pretty put together, but definitely if you're in Mansfield, you need to be in your tornado shelters now because this storm is tracking northeast towards your location. Okay, so let's see what's the update here. Okay, so it looks like the Marshfield tornado warning, the Christian County one, has now been allowed to expire. Um, but they are continuing the one to the north, and that's a very large tornado warning there. How many square miles is that? That is 1,200 square miles for that tornado warning. It does still look like there's some rotation there, but it's going to fall in that same polygon. But definitely Mansfield, you need to be in your tornado safe, have your tornado precautions going now at this point. It's still a pretty strong storm continuing to move off to the northeast. Okay. This one looks kind of right up along Conway, is what it looks like for that tornado warning. Yeah, kind of looks like right along I-44 towards Conway. And this one still looks like it's going to track towards Mansfield. So if you're in Mansfield, you need to be in your tornado safe spaces now, because this is a very strong storm headed right towards you. What is this? Looks like we have a new tornado warning for southeastern Webster, southern Wright, and northwestern Douglas counties until 10 o'clock. At 9:20, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Ava, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazardous tornado radar indicated rotation. The storm has a history of producing tornadoes, so hopefully that means it's not on the ground anymore. Mountain Grove, Ava, Seymour, Mansfield, Norwood, Hartville, Brushy Knob, Good Hope, Dogwood, and Odin. So we've kind of got overlapping tornado warnings, but I'm guessing it's because of the directional tract of this pushing off and then this storm here to the north as well. Let's see, what's the. Yeah, that little notch right there. That little notch right there. Go back to velocity and we'll let this play. Okay. is still continuing off to the northeast. Let's get this stopped so we can get a good picture. It does definitely look like that rotation is getting more broad. So that's a good thing. But definitely, if you're in that Mansfield area, you've got it's that area, the tornado or storm will be about 24 minutes to impacting the Mansfield area or Mansfield proper. Is that one still observed, I wonder? Okay, so that one's radar indicated. This one that's observed. That's 5 minutes left on it. Looks like they reissued the tornado warning. So for northeastern Webster and northwestern Wright counties until 10:15 at 9:22, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Diggins or 9 miles southeast of Marshfield, moving northeast at 15. Radar indicated rotation be Duncan, Grove Spring, and Raider. That's for 1 hour. So they've reissued again, I'm guessing, for this area right here. Um, Whoa. Zoom out that far. So this one, yeah, should be this is a radar indicated rotation, but it's super broad there. Yeah, it's no real kind of looks like northwest of Lebanon. Looks like the second one is right along P Highway, just to the southeast of Duncan. And definitely this storm here to the south, the rotation has got a whole lot more broad on it. And that would be um, kind of like right along B Highway, just south of Highway 60. Still some pretty broad rotation on that storm there. Let's see, when was our last update? Yeah, we got 4 minutes before the next update. Maggie, I just saw that. What we got a loaded map right now. Let's go back to reflectivity real quick. Yeah, it's a big old hook right there. An info notch, that knot. Guys, in some good spots right there. Says this one. Okay, that one's now radar indicated. That one's radar indicated, and that one's radar indicated. So that's a good thing. That all of our tornado warnings right now are radar indicated. Doesn't look like a CC return at all. So that's a good thing too. Their rotation's still there, just south of Mansfield. So if you're in Mansfield, still be in your tornado safe places at this point, because that storm is heading right. Should be going over Mansfield proper here in the next probably 10 minutes. This one up here to the north. So that one's just south of Highway 38 as well. Looks like this northern one is all pushed north of Lebanon. I mean, whatever rotation they're seeing, I'm not seeing a whole lot on that storm. Still here on this one in Mansfield, just south of Mansfield. And then this other one would be on just north of P Highway, the P and C intersect just to the southeast of Duncan, in between Duncan and High Prairie on Highway 38. So if you're in that Duncan, High Prairie, what's the next big town? So between 38 and Highway M in that area, you need to be taking your tornado precautions now. Pretty much anywhere in these tornado warning polygons, you need to be just hanging out in your safe places for just a little bit or a little bit longer. Okay. Yep. This area is still here. We're along Highway C, moving northeast. So if you're in Duncan, High Prairie, you need to be in your tornado safe places for the next probably half hour at least. So that area's moving right over Mansfield.